How to use Fidelity to buy index funds. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use Fidelity to buy index funds. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to use Fidelity to buy index funds, you have to follow these steps. So step 1, determine your investment goals. Before investing in Fidelity index funds, it is crucial to clearly define your investment goals. These goals may involve long term growth, income generation, or capital preservation. Step 2, research different Fidelity index funds. Researching various Fidelity index funds is essential to understand their strategies, holdings, and performance history before making an informed investment decision. By delving into the strategies employed by different Fidelity index funds, investors can gain insights into how these funds aim to achieve their objectives. Step 3, choose the right Fidelity index fund for you. Selecting the most suitable Fidelity index fund for your investment needs involves evaluating factors like risk tolerance, investment horizon, and fund objectives. These factors play a crucial role in determining the level of risk you are comfortable with and the goals you aim to achieve with your investments. Step 4, open an account with Fidelity. To purchase Fidelity index funds, you need to open an investment account with Fidelity, a straightforward process that involves providing personal and financial information. The account opening procedure at Fidelity is designed to be user friendly, allowing individuals to initiate the process online or through their mobile app. Step 5, fund your account. After opening your account, it's time to fund it with the desired amount. This will allow you to start investing in Fidelity index funds. Just make sure you meet the minimum investment requirements. To fund your Fidelity account, you have two options. You can transfer money from your linked bank account through electronic funds transfer, or you can set up automatic contributions for a hassle free investing experience. Step 6, place your order. Once your account is funded, place an order through Fidelity's platform to buy the selected Fidelity Index fund, specifying the amount and any additional instructions. To purchase an index fund on Fidelity, first navigate to the trade or buy section on the platform. This will allow you to search for the specific fund you want to buy. So that's how you can use Fidelity to buy index funds. That's all for this video.